Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make lock picking tools out of paper clips. So, the only tools I know how to make are these two. You use this at the bottom of the lock and this at the top. Okay, so for this type of tool, we're going to completely straighten out a paper clip. Yeah, decently straight. And you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to take a pair of pliers. I have SOG pliers, and you're going to squish it in, just the bottom. And if this happens, it's alright, I can show you how to fix it from here. Okay, so that happens. Okay, so what you do, you clamp it right here. This is not how to fix it, this is how to get the tool ready. So you can, and you bend it to a 90 or so degree angle. Hold on, I'm stuck in it. Go 90-degree angle, like that-ish. Okay, here, if these, all you have to do is like twist it from the end. Like hold it and twist, twist around, but you have to keep it clamped down tight so they don't just spread back apart. And there you go. Now you have your bottom tool. Hold on. I'm gonna push this together a little bit more. There. Okay. Now you're gonna be making one of these tools. You're just going to straighten it out twice, like this. And yeah, you almost straighten it out. Hold on. Put this back in place. There we go. And then you take it as far down as you want. I prefer to have multiple ones of these at different lengths, so you know, just in case, because locks are different. Yeah, you get it? You bend it at a 90-degree angle. Ish. Okay, when you're picking locks, I don't really know how to, but, well, not all kind of locks, but you want to take this piece, you want to put it in the bottom of the lock, and turn it just a little bit like the lock. Then you stick this in the top, and it's called your rake, and you rake the lock. I'll have to get like a lock or something so I could show you guys in detail, but okay. That is how to make lock picking pieces out of just little paper clips. And like I said, I like to make multiple ones of these of different sizes, like these. They're all slightly smaller than the other. I just prefer to have it like that. And these, you just basically make them the same. Okay, goodbye.